We have moved on to page 5 of the New York State K-12 Computer Science and Digital Fluency Standards for grades band 4 through 6. Here we're going to take a look at networks and systems design. Networks and systems design is broken down into 2 subconcept areas, hardware and software, and networks and the internet. There are only 5 standards for this concept area, so it's a pretty small one that you'll need to cover in your classroom. Hardware and software has 3 standards. The first one is thinking about how we use technology and how we interact with that technology. So thinking about that user experience when you go to a website and finding the buttons you need to find and the clicks and so on. As we go on to NSD 2, we're talking about modeling how computer hardware and software work together as a system. So this could be identifying what is a computer system, what is a processor, where are things stored, what happens when you type something, what comes back for you. For NSD 3, we're talking about potential solutions to solve any problem. So this is those troubleshootings. This could be textperts in your classroom. This could be helpers if the student's struggling with something with their computer. As we move on to networks and the internet, we have 2 standards. The first one is modeling how data is structured. So we're thinking about how the information is processed or traveled and then brought back together. So this could be a fun video about how computers work. It could be building different parts within a technology class. This could be talking about how emails happen or what happens when you upload a video to YouTube. And then finally in NSD 5, we're talking about the data that can be stored and where that data is stored. So this could be a conversation about privacy and where your information is going and who has access to that privacy within your computing world. And that will then really tie in nicely as we get into computer science under the cybersecurity standards.